let's take a look at how the course is laid out on Canvas. If you go to the course for 141, you should start at the home page. If you go to the home page, you can see that the class is laid out week by week, and I've put the actual dates in and updated them for this year. These dates are suggested dates to help you keep on track. So on September 6th, you'll know that you should do the Getting Started topic. You can see that on September 8th, there's actually 2 topics because one of the topics is shorter. So there are 2 assigned for that day. Each assignment is then due the next day, as if we were scheduled on a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. This is a 3-credit course, so I've divided it into those 3 days as if you were attending class to help you keep up to date. The due dates will automatically fill in zeros if you do not have the work done by the due date, but I will accept that work up until the test. So once you have to take the test for the unit, and you can see here we have Unit 1, and so when that test comes up for Unit 1, that will be the last day that I accept any work that needs to be completed for Unit 1. The zeros are just to help you see that you're falling behind and encourage you to try to catch up, get back on pace, so that you will be able to successfully complete the course. So let's jump into one of these topics and see what's there. I clicked on the Getting Started, and so it tells us what the objectives are for this Getting Started topic. Different assignments are additionally links that you can click on to do your homework. So if I click on the first one, we're going to do some introductions and a discussion. I've created an introduction for myself, which you can watch, and then you'll post a 2 to 4 minute video introducing yourself. Maybe you know someone in the class already. Maybe you want to set up some study groups. It is okay to help each other learn in this college course. It is not okay to just pass out or send people your answers. That would be academic dishonesty. So the approach you'd want to take is to try to solve the problem, try to do the homework on your own, and if you get stuck, maybe meet up with somebody else in the class, see if they can help you, or meet up with me directly and get some help and get through the issues. You can just hit the back button, and that takes you back, and then you know what the next thing is to do, how to be successful. So there's a mastery quiz on how to be successful. So if you click on that, there's actually a video. Since I have the instructor version, I have to press preview. Yours will go straight to the quiz. But there's a video to watch that I've recorded. So you'll watch the video, and then there will be some questions that you can answer with the quiz. Now what I like to recommend is that you read the question and then start watching the video until you hear the answer, pause the video, mark the answer, then look at the next questions. The questions do come in order with the video. One of the great things about these videos is that you can adjust the speed to your level of comfort. So if you're watching one of my videos and you feel like you could pick up the material a little bit faster, then just click on the settings, change the playback speed. I like to play back at 1.5, so you can play back at 1.5, or you can go back to normal if you need a little more time to think about it, and that just makes it a little easier to get through the videos. The last 3 questions are always the same to help me improve the course. So it gives you an opportunity to rate the video for understanding and value of learning. The next one is the technical quality. Is there too much noise on the video? Is it blurry? Is there something wrong with the video itself? And the last is just an opportunity to email me with any errors that you might have found or suggestions for improvement. The question doesn't have a point value, but I will give extra credit for any true errors identified or any high-quality suggestions that you email to me. Once you have completed all of the questions, you can submit the quiz, and it will immediately give you a grade on the result. You may rewatch the video and take the quiz as many times as you'd like to. You just have to have it completed before the exam for that content. There are quite a few video quizzes in this course, but they're all targeted to be only 5 to 10 minutes, and all the answers can be found in the video. Besides the mastery quizzes, like you'll see there's Mastery 7 and 8 here on this day, September 11th, we also have some homework. And these homework assignments will be where you'll have to apply what you've learned to answer some questions or write some programs. Let's take a look at another day. Here we have some objectives, and here we have a mastery video and quiz and a reference PowerPoint that goes along with the video quiz so that you could look at the reference without watching the video again. And then we also have an activity on this day where you'll do some downloading and editing files and learning about software. We also have some Khan Academy assignments. By using different ways of learning, it can reach more students. So I have my own videos, and I have Khan Academy videos, and I also have conferences with each student. To schedule your conference, you'll do that right on Canvas. If you click on the assignment, it gives you some directions. It says click on the calendar and advance to the current month. So here's the calendar icon on your side. If you're not seeing the calendar, you might need to advance to the current month. And you might need to select your class to show that you want it on the calendar. So if I don't have the class selected, it's not showing any of the data. There might be a Find Appointments here on your screen. That is how it worked in the past. Or otherwise the appointments might come up automatically. You can see they're labeled Conference 1, and these are all the different slots that are available right now. And so you'll just select on it. Your Canvas, instead of allowing you to edit it, will actually allow you to sign up for the conference. You'll select it, and it will put your name in here, and then you'll be on my calendar to have the conference. If you have any questions or there are no appointments that work for you, please email me and we will find a time when we can meet.